kicker, and he loves legs. Kick him high if you kick.
More speed with that front kick, Dom, and don't look. You gave it away with that look. Keep your eyes on him.
Nice, Dom. Nice.
Those would be hook punches.
That's it. Yeah. Good. Nice.
Guys, man.
Hey, Matt. Just
Hands
wait,
up.
wait, and then punch.
Stay facing forward.
Flexible, Joe.
Some body shots. Hands up, Dom.
Just come on. Yes. Front kick.
Push on that log, Joey. A little harder push next time. 30 seconds. Face forward, Joey. You're too sideways. Get that guard up. Just move around in a circle. Bring your guard up and walk away. 20 seconds.
Come on, Joe.
Hands up.
That's it.
2 minutes.